That looked really good. The wire work in that looked really good, and for him to hold his pose, his posture while running in the air. G'day guys, I'm yours truly, the original Spikey D, and welcome to yet another edition of a Trini Reaction 2. As you know, this is the place where we feature the best in foreign language song, dance and film out of India, Southern India, 90% of the time. Now today I'll be reacting to the interval fight scene from the film Sultan. Now this film was directed by Bhakia Raj Kannan and it's produced by Prakash Babu. And the cast also includes Kati Rashmika Mandana and Ramachandra Raju, who played the antagonist in the film KGF Chapter 1, and I also think he has to be in KGF Chapter 2. I'm not sure because I thought he died at the end of Chapter 1, but I hear rumors that he is appearing in Chapter 2 as well. Anyway guys, so we're going to check out this interval fight scene. I had placed options on the community page overnight, and this is what was voted on, and this is what I'm going to do. So let's dive straight into this scene, and hopefully it's entertaining enough for the Spikey Day. Here comes our hero, Sultan. You can see people in a lot of despair. Wow. Okay, everybody apparently crying out to him for help. Wow. Cinematography in the background look amazing. With our mountain range. Okay. He's sparing his life because he saved his life at some point in time according to the dialogue. He's so bad that the whole village crippled in it. You can see conscience bothering him. Sarah, stop, you know. Oh. Oh, that look cool. Uncle get happy to see him fighting back. Oh, I think that's from the poster, that shot. Ooh. Okay, stand back. Let me deal with them. Oh. Woo-hoo. That look cool. Yeah. Oh. I like that boy. That look real good. Like in Asian cinema, you get plenty of that. That look really, really good. Oh. Music song in. Hype. Oh. Music here is injured. Oh. That look real cool, Jed. Yeah, fight back, man. Not only he alone. Whoa. Ooh. Oh. Good night. People feeling liberated. Intermission time for the popcorn. Alright guys, that is a fantastic scene. I like, there's so much good things in this. I liked, there are 3 shots though that I really think is an outstanding in terms of the action, very outstanding. That first kick we saw him in the air when he was somewhat vertical, that looked real high quality action. I like how his body looked. It didn't look bent, you know. It held the composure for that particular action sequence. It looked really good. But that running shot in the air, absolutely fantastic. That is what you love in an action scene, especially when we watch a lot of Asian cinema. You get that with the running, you know, like these Chinese films. But that looked really good. The wire work in that looked really good. And for him to hold his pose, his posture while running in the air, wow, that looked really, really well done. That's a really good piece of work in terms of the action, and the action director, they did fantastic in that. And then of course that shot when he was just flying in the air, yeah, that looked cool too. A lot of cool stuff in it. Great music though. The score in the background to this fight scene is here reason. You see how it started off slow, where he just walking into the scene, into the situation, and he's seeing everything, he's gathering all the information, the people crying out, and you know, like, but like he hesitated, you know, he probably didn't want to get involved in the situation, but you know, seeing all the people hurting and crying and being in despair, and the kids saying this happening, look, this man, you know, beating my grandpa and all that. You know, he just like, he reached his limit after when he saw the flashback of people talking to him and probably saying, listen, you know, these people need your help, you know, you need to get involved and be the answer, not a problem, you know, get involved. And well, when he did get involved, he totally destroyed them all. Just totally fantastic action. I liked it, but I really enjoyed the run and shot the most of all the entire scene. That kick, the run and shot, and that jump in the air. Really, that is high quality international action that you get outside of India. That is what you get, right? And that looked fantastic. It was really, really well done, to be honest. Really fantastic scene. So if you guys do think that there's another scene from this film that I should check out, definitely know. If you do watch this video, let me know in the comment section. I know my Tamil audience is somewhat smaller, but that doesn't mean I won't do it. I definitely would do it, right, just for you guys. So if you do like this video, like, share, subscribe, come back for more. I'm yours truly, Spiky D, and wherever you guys are in the world, stay safe, remain in good health. I'm flying solo lately because in Trinidad we have some serious restrictions in terms of the COVID getting out of hand here. So hence the reason why I'm flying solo. Hopefully we'll do some virtuals again with Gail and probably Fina later down over the weekend, right? So guys, stay safe, remain in good health. I see you all in our next video. Peace out.